Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we have done the exercise 11.3 in the previous video and I am sure that you have done all the questions properly, right? So in this video today, I am starting the next topic, that is circles. So in earlier classes also you have got the circles concept, right? So this closed figure, this round closed figure is known as circle. So circle is a closed figure that has a curvilinear boundary. Curvilinear means curves, curvy boundary. So it is a closed figure which has curvilinear boundary, that is a circle. Okay. So circle do not has any vertex, do not has any angle, do not has any side. Okay. This is a basic concept about circle. One more definition about circle is given in the next page, that is, a circle is the collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. So, it is a collection of many points in a plane and whose distance are fixed from the constant point. So, constant point is the center of the circle. So, let us see a circle and its parts. So a circle is a closed figure made up of points in a plane that has same distance from a fixed point is called center of the circle. So you can see this is a circle and this is the center point. From the center point, every point on the circle has a fixed distance, that means same distance, equal distance, and this equal distance from the center to the boundary of the circle is known as radius. The next concept is about radius. So all of you know what is radius. So radius is the distance between the center and any point on the boundary of a circle. Okay, so say radius is a line segment. It is a distance between center and the boundary of the circle. So this r means radius. It can be denoted by small r or capital R, anything. Understood now? So center is denoted by O, okay, and what is radius? Radius is denoted by one line segment, OC, OB, OA, OD. All are the radius of the circle, and inside any circle there can be infinite number of radius. Okay. So and every radius has equal measurement. That means all radius are equal. See, OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to R. That means all the measurement, all the length of the radius are same. Now next is diameter. What is diameter? A line segment with both ends point on the boundary of the circle and passing through the center of the circle is known as the diameter of the circle. Here you can see this is a circle and this line segment which touches from one point to another point of the circle and which passes through the center, that is called a diameter. So diameter is the longest line inside a circle which passes through the center. So diameter can be from this side also, from this side also, okay, but it should pass through the center. So inside the circle there can be infinite number of diameters, and also diameter is the double of radius. Understanding? So diameter is AOB, or you can call AB. AB is the diameter, and it is always double the radius. Okay. So here it is, the formula is written diameter equal to 2 into radius. Double means twice, 2 times. So diameter is always 2 times of radius. This is the formula. So here you can see it is written in short form. Diameter is denoted by D and radius is denoted by R. So D equal to 2 times of R. Okay. So this is the formula, diameter equal to 2 times of radius. Okay, this is the main formula. Next is circumference of a circle. Circumference means the length of the boundary of a circle is known as circumference. So length of the boundary means this whole length of the circle is known as circumference. Next is chord of a circle. Chord means a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle is called a chord of the circle. So chord is also a line segment which touches from one point to another point inside a circle, but it does not always pass through the center. So there is only one chord which passes through the center, that is called a diameter. That's why it is written that the diameter of a circle is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, here you can see PQ is the chord, then PR is a chord, ST is also a chord. So any line segment inside the circle is called a chord. Understanding? And the longest chord is known as the diameter. ST is the diameter and ST is the chord also. PR is also chord, PQ also chord. Next topic is arc of a circle. What is the meaning of arc? A part of a circle is called an arc of a circle, and it has 3 points. The name can be written in the 3 points. So ADC, ABC, right, like this. ABC, ADC. So any curved part of a circle is known as arc. So you can see this is a curved path. ADC, ABC, all are the curved path of the circle is known as arc. Now go to next page. In the next page it is given the major arc. So there are two types of arc, major arc and minor arc. The bigger arc, the longer one, is called a major arc. Okay, the bigger arc of a circle is known as major arc. You can see here. And minor arc means the smaller arc is called a minor arc. So here in this circle, two types of arc is given. So PXQ, this is a minor arc. Okay, this is a minor arc, the small part. And PRQ is the major arc. Understanding in this way. So all these examples are given for your practice. Next is segment of a circle. Segment means what? Segment is a part of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc of a circle. So segment is a part of the circle which is enclosed by a chord and a arc. That is a segment. So segment also two types, minor segment and major segment. So the bigger part is known as the major segment and this smaller part is the minor segment. Okay, always remember that a segment is made up of chord and arc. Okay, it is enclosed between a chord and a arc. Next is sector of a circle. Sector means a region enclosed by an arc and a pair of radii of a circle is known as sector of the circle. That means it is enclosed by an arc and the two radius. Here you can see in the figure. So this is the figure of sector. This is known as the figure of sector. So this figure is enclosed by a arc. PXQ is a arc and PO and QO are two radius. So sector is between the arc and the radius. This part is known as sector, like pizza. When you cut the pizza in different parts, it come like this. So this is like a pizza. Okay. Here also you can find major sector and minor sector. The smaller part is known as the minor sector and the bigger part is known as the major sector. Understand? This is the major sector. Now next part is semicircle. So what is the meaning of semicircle? The half part of a circle is known as semicircle. Each part is a semicircle. You can see the half part of a circle is a semicircle. That means this diameter divides the circle in two parts. So AXB is one semicircle, AYB is another semicircle. Understanding? So half of a circle is known as semicircle. Next is interior and exterior of a circle. Interior, you know very nicely, interior means the inside part of the circle and exterior means the outside part of the circle. And boundary means on the points on the boundary. Very easy. Now in the next page it is given concentric circle. Concentric circle means all the circles that have the same center are called concentric circle. That means there can be many circles but the center are same. Like I am drawing here, suppose this is a center. Okay, one circle, then again another circle, again another circle. Okay, here you can see center is same. From this center all the circles are making. Okay, this is called concentric circles. So now we have done all the topics. Now we'll start the exercise 11.4. So from the given figure, name the following. So here one figure is given, you have to name the radii, diameter, minor arc, or everything. So first is radii. Radii means what? The plural of radius. That means how many radius are there. You can see there are many radius, OC, OB, OA, all are the radius. So you have to write in the notebook. So here you can see I have written everything. Radii means radius. So how many radius are there? 3 radius are there. So here you can see in the figure OB, OA and OC. Next is diameter. What is the diameter here? Diameter is AC. Okay. So diameter written AC. Now next is minor arc. So what is the minor arc here? Minor arc is QHP. So this is the minor arc. Understanding? Next is major arc. Major arc is QAP. This one. Okay. So this is the major arc. Next is chord. There are two chords. One is PQ and another is AB. Okay. Next is uh, measure segment. What is the measure segment here? Measure segment is QP. QP. Now the next question is draw a circle and mark. So you have to draw one circle of any radius and you have to mark any 2 points on the boundary of the circle, any 3 points on the interior of a circle, any 3 points on the exterior of a circle. So it is very easy. You can do it by your own. So this is your homework. Next is question number 3. Given a circle with center O and radius 2.5 centimeter. So you have to see this is the circle and radius is given 2.5. What is the length of the longest chord of the circle? So what is the length of the longest chord? So I have just now explained that the longest chord is known as the diameter. So what is the diameter? Here you have to find out. So you know that diameter is 2 times of radius. So you have to apply the formula diameter equal to 2 into radius. So this question number 3 you have to write like this. Longest chord is the diameter of circle. That means you have to find out the diameter. So diameter formula is diameter equal to 2 into radius. To find out the diameter you have to apply this formula. So 2 into radius. So radius is given 2.5. So 2 into 2.5 is 5. So it is diameter is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now next question number 4 is find the diameter of circle whose radius is 7.8 centimeter. So here also same question you have to do. What is the question? You have to find the diameter and radius is given. So answer of the question number 4 is diameter equal to 2 into radius. So you have to find the diameter. So 2 into 7.8. So it is 15.6 centimeter. Okay. So always remember this formula. Question number 5 is not needed. Okay. Cut it. Now go to next page. The next question. So the next question is given. Here's one figure is given. Look at the figure and answer the following question. So this is the figure. You have to answer the following and name the chords. So what are the chords? Again, like it is like question number 1. You have to name the chords. Then the chords are G, D, H, F. Okay. Then the diameter. So the chords are C, D, G, D, and H, F. Then the diameter is H, F. The radius is, that means radius AH, AF. The points on the circumference of the circle. Circumference means the boundary. That means on the circle. The point is C, D, F, G, H. So they are on the circumference of the circle. Points lie exterior of the circle. Exterior means outside. That means point B and point J. Okay. So in the notebook you have to write like this. So please see and write in your notebook. Okay. Chords CD, HF, GD, diameter HF, radii AH, AF, points on circumference CD, F, GH, points on exterior BJ. Okay. So in this way we have completed the exercise 11.4 and also we have completed this chapter nicely. Okay. So please do all the questions in your notebook. Thank you.